Welcome back to The Founder. Today with me, I have Eranda from PropX, a brand new yes to talk about, of course, a brand new startup. How are you doing today?
Doing good, Tasha. Thank you for having me today.
Thank you for
And
coming
it's a
on
very
board.
nice way to start the morning.
Of course, of course. It's a beautiful morning
Yeah,
as
it's a
well.
very beautiful morning.
So tell me a little bit about yourself.
Okay, if I'm talking about myself, I'm the youngest in the family.
Okay.
I have 3 elder brothers, and I'm the notorious one in the family, and I'm the
Nice.
person who doesn't even listen to anyone at all.
Okay.
So I actually studied at St. Joseph College, Colombo 10.
Okay.
And then I started my entrepreneurial career in 2014 with a magazine just like this, College Magazine,
Okay.
with a person called Dulshan Daralage. He was a photographer that time, and now he's a software engineer.
Okay.
And then actually we started another company called Jetex with my brother. Now still we are working with that. So I'm involving with many projects right at the moment.
Okay. But you are here to talk about
PropX,
today.
yes.
So tell me about PropX and what exactly is it?
PropX is actually it's an online platform where all the buyers and the sellers are going to meet up. But the specialty of this is a place where all the professionals also going to meet up.
Oh, right. Okay.
Because you know why? Now as a customer, just imagine it's you, right? You're going to buy a property, right? Or you're going to sell a property. You know, in Sri Lanka, there is a big procedure for that,
Yeah.
right? Sometimes when you are a newcomer, you don't know what to do, right?
Right.
And there is no place to ask also. So I thought of, okay, we better have a platform like that. We better gather all the professionals, all the buyers and the brokers and everyone into one place. And why don't we give a chance to the customers if they have any problem? Why don't we give a chance to them to ask that question from them? So they get a free advice from through our website,
okay.
right? And also once they get the advice, there's opportunity. They can sell and buy, right? Or they can put a post to sell, or they can put a post to buy on our platform. And also the best part is for free.
It's for free.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Interesting.
that is a main different thing than the other companies. Actually, we are not like the other companies at all, because we are letting all the customers. It can be the buyers or the sellers. It can be a normal customer. It can be a lawyer or a banker. If they have any problem, they can come to our website. It's www.propex.lk,
Okay.
and they can put the problem that they have, and through a mail they will get the answer.
Right. So you said you started off last year, right?
Yes.
Okay. So how has it been with the pandemic?
Pandemic actually, for most of the people, I know it's a very bad time.
Right.
But also if we think about the COVID-19 with a positive mindset, this is a great opportunity for all the people, not only for the entrepreneurs, not only for the blue chip company owners, not only for the other small enterprises at all. Why I'm telling you that? Because this time, okay, before the pandemic, our lifestyle was we go to work,
Yeah.
right? And we just do the work at workplace, and then we finish it, and then we come home,
Yeah.
right? So there is no time for us to think about something else,
There
something
isn't.
new.
No.
So Tasha, it's like we all are creative people,
Yeah.
including you, including me, everyone. But people actually, they have forgotten about themselves many times. They don't know what they are actually capable of. So this pandemic actually, they gave this time actually gave them a time to think about themselves
That's true.
and the capability, right? So for me, in financial way, yes, it's a big hit for me. But in opportunity wise, it's a big place for me,
Yeah.
right? So I know there are so many people who are actually working at banks and all, and other financial institutes. But you know, with the COVID situation, when they're at home, some people became photographers,
Yeah. That's
some
true.
people became singers, some people became dancers.
Because of TikTok.
Yeah, because of TikTok, and some people actually became, you know, a podcasting. What do you
Have
call
their
the
own channels,
channels and
podcasts.
everything?
Yeah.
So it's really good. But the problem is, when are we going to make the profit out of that?
That's true.
It's like this. Just keep on doing that. You will make it. It's like you don't have to rush yourself to do something else. So the pandemic was like for financial situations. Yeah, it hit for everyone,
Yeah.
including every single person in the world, and it's very sad. But we have to learn to see the positive thing through the sadness thing,
Yeah.
and then we can do many things, and like we can do changes in the world.
I couldn't have said it any better. Now, having a startup is not an easy ride, right? It's
Yeah.
not an easy journey. Are there any difficulties you faced in the beginning of starting things up with PropX?
With PropX, it's like every single day it's challenging to us, because now with the pandemic, it's very hard for us to take a customer to a site or take a customer to a visit with another customer. It's very hard.
Yeah.
So that is one of the difficulties we have right now. But as a startup, like everyone say, they say my my initial difficulty was finding the financial stuff,
Yeah.
right? But for me, financial was not an issue for me, because I'm not a person who's looking for the financial and the money all the time. If I get the idea, I just want to make it happen.
Yeah.
So what I always tell to my team also, there are only two things can be happen in the world, right? If you start something, if you do something,
Mhm.
either you can win or you can lose,
Yeah.
right? So you can stop that. So what you have to do is, when like you are playing a cricket match, you have to be like Kumar Sangakkara. You have to make it a win, or you have to make it a lose, or you have to keep yourself to make it a draw.
I think everyone wants to be like Kumar now.
Kumar now,
Yeah.
right? Everyone. So it's something like that, Tasha. Like the difficulties we cannot like forget about. We
Yeah.
cannot get off from that, right? So startup, that was the biggest difficulty, to take the customers to the sites, because we started with the pandemic,
Mhm.
the business.
Yes, I know.
It's really hard for us, because whenever I get a call from a customer, Eranda, can we go to this site? Eranda, can we go to this apartment to see? I was like, it's very hard to do
It's
this.
very hard to move around.
So they were asking me, can you get some special approvals from the authority? I was like, no, we can't do that.
Yeah.
And then again, I think some people were actually accusing me, like, okay, you start something like this and you say you cannot come. I was like, this is the thing, we cannot do anything. We have to face with this, right?
Yeah.
So this is the only issue that we had as a startup in progress.
Right. Okay. And when it comes to businesses and new businesses, obviously one thing that you look for is, of course, financing. And
Yeah.
were banks any helpful in that matter?
It's like this. In Sri Lankan banking, how should I say this? I don't know whether they are going to say anything to me. But for the startups, they advertise so many things on television. They advertise so many things on radio.
Sure.
But Tasha, when you go to the bank, or when you go to any finance institutes for a loan or something, they're asking so many things from you, right? And if you can provide what they ask from you, you will not have, you don't need to get any loan from them.
Mm.
But the best part of this bank is, they will not give you the loan when you start up. There are few, fair reasons, right? Because I was also a bank. I started my career at NDB Bank, right?
Mhm.
So as a salesperson, but back in the time, we were called as business associates,
Yeah.
right? They have valid reasons why we are not giving you the loan or any financial support. But what I love about Sri Lankan banks are, they tell you how to do the business,
Ah, okay.
right? They tell you, if I go tell them I need this much of money to do my business,
Mhm.
how can I do this? They said, okay, and this is the thing, you're not eligible for this. First they said it.
Yeah.
Say that in straight, so you can't do this. I was like, okay, but I'm helpless.
Yeah.
Well, this is the thing. What you can do is, you've been with us as a customer for a couple of years.
Right.
What we can do is, we'll give you some contacts.
Oh, okay.
Sri Lankan banks are like that. That is the only part. And another thing is, even they can't do anything,
That's
right?
true.
Because they are also working under some authorities.
Exactly. Yeah.
But at the end, advisable wise, banks are the best place for you to get the advice.
Wow. Okay.
Right.
I don't think I've heard that before.
because most of the people don't know.
That's
Because
true.
there are many good bankers and the managers who willing to help
Help
the
you out, yeah.
entrepreneurs. Because in order to run this country,
You need
yes, we
experts,
need
yeah.
investments from the other countries,
Yeah.
but you need more entrepreneurs.
Yeah.
When we don't have enough entrepreneurs in Sri Lanka, it's another dream that we are going to be a first world country.
Yes.
It's very hard.
Yeah.
So the bankers actually, they try to make the people entrepreneurs right now.
Okay.
I think some people have started investing, and some people have started giving the loans for the social media influencers also right now.
Mhm.
basically now let's say they say okay, I'm a travel influencer. What
Yeah.
they say is, okay, what do you want? No, I just need couple of money
Okay.
to travel here and there, and I will give you this thing and that thing. So they issue loans for them.
Yeah.
So it's really good, it's
Yeah.
very nice. But only thing is, because of the country's situation, it's very hard to get the financial advice
That's
from
true.
the banks.
That's true.
So if someone say no, this bank is helping us, and that as a startup, Russia, that is a big fat lie.
That is a yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Because they can't, because
Understandable.
you have to be in the industry first, right? You have to be in the industry first. You have to make your name,
Yeah.
and you have to have a clear financial background.
Mhm.
Then only they can give you. They have fair enough points.
Yeah.
Right?
That's true. Yeah.
But once you make those things, they are coming after you, and they are willing to give you the support as you're always asking. Sometimes you don't have to ask the bank, can I have this money? Or am I having an overdraft or something like this? They said like, sir, this is something like this. You have a problem with this. Do you need?
Mm.
So they are requesting us.
Yeah.
So banks are like that. But for the startups, it's a bit
It's a
hard.
bit difficult,
It's a
but
bit
it's a good
difficult.
place for advice.
But it's a good place for advice.
All right, so that's some actually really good points, I should say. Now, for PropX, is there ever a moment in your career where you had to make a hard decision?
The hard decisions. Hard decisions in the wise, if I'm talking about it's like this. In the business, I always see partnership, right? But the real partnership was not this. The real partnership was when I was rejecting from 28 companies
Mhm.
from interviews for no reason.
28?
20,
Oh, 20, okay.
Right? I don't want to mention the names,
Yeah,
right?
you don't have to.
It's like I'm a person. I'm a people's person all the time. Back in the time when I
Yeah.
was in school, also, I talk everyone with friendly. I give them advices. I support them and everything. So trust me. After I left NDB Bank, that is my second mother, because that is the place actually made me a person like this.
Mhm,
They always asked me to stay,
mhm.
but I wanted to do something different.
Yeah.
That was the wildest and the stupidest decisions I ever make back
Okay.
in time. And after that, I started do my educations and everything, and I was going for the interviews for a job because I didn't have financial support at all.
Right.
Trust me, I don't know why I always go. I'm like make it through to the final interview. Somehow I failed,
Okay.
and I never had a reason. One company I went there in PETA. It's a very big company, and there were some people who were interviewing me and asking me question. I was answering them really well, and they know that I'm really capable of that. But you know what they said? We can't offer you the job. That was my 20th. That
Mhm.
was my last. And there was a huge mirror in front of the office, and I'm like, I just want to cry,
Aw.
right? I really wanted to cry. I was like, and I still can remember I was wearing a white color shirt and a black color trouser. And I went when in front of the mirror, I was folding my hand. I was like, if no one is going to offer me a job, I'm going to be a person who's going to make jobs.
Oh, wow, that's very
Right.
inspiring.
So for now, I have made more than 50 jobs right now for Sri Lankans, and also I have helped many businesses right
Yeah.
now in social media marketing, and also giving advices and getting into forums and all. So I'm really happy about that. That was a partnership. But when it comes to PropX, the real partnership was to find in the real people who had the real passion for the
Yeah.
business, not anything else. Because like I told you, it's not about the financial stuff.
Mhm.
If you are going to do a job, if you are going to do a business, you have to have the right people. It can be your family, it can be your girlfriend, it can be your boyfriend, or it can be your friends. You have to have the right people with you to drive your business.
Yeah.
Because sometimes you have to get off from your business and focus on another thing.
Mm.
In order to do that, you have to have a strong team.
Okay.
So luckily, thanks to the God, I have the greatest team with me right now, the creative team. So, but still we have some hardships when it comes to the content writings and finding the sales and all. But still I'm happy.
Okay. So Aranda, this next question is from our venue sponsor, the Colombo Cooperative. They're all about providing modern workspaces for companies of all sizes. And this question is, of course, with regards to the community. What does community mean to you, and how do you build it?
Like I said before, when I was in school, I was a people's person.
Yeah.
Like I always, it's not only about in my school. I was having so much of friends in the out of my school as well. Community is like, it is the hardest thing that anyone can build.
Yeah.
It's very hard to make someone to trust you.
Trust you, exactly.
It's very
yeah.
hard to make someone to rely on you.
Yeah.
Right? For that, the real thing what I did was I was being honest. I was being humble.
Mhm.
There were some time I had millions with me. There were some times I didn't have anything.
Nothing.
But
yeah.
I never changed the way I treat people.
People, yeah.
Right? So because of that, I have earned that respect, not only from the big people, even from the lowest people. Lowest people in the sense, like every single person. Now, even when I go to my office, I treat my janitor and everyone
Yeah.
like the others.
Yeah.
I never call her by a name because she's elder to me. Sometimes I call her auntie, sometimes I call her Akki,
Yeah.
right? And she feels really happy, and
Yeah.
she feels like she's in my family.
Yeah.
Like in my family, it's like, now I can give you a nice good example. When we were losing the business, in one point, we were actually cut down the people,
Oh, okay.
right? And trust me, that was the time I realized this is the way people love me, right? I had to take a meeting, and I had to tell them, okay, I have to cut down some of you people because we are running down, like
Yeah.
running out some
Mhm.
money. You know what they said?
What?
They said, they never called me sir, right? They say, Randa, it's like this. You have built something for us. Because of you, some of us become photographers. Some of us become the videographers. Some of us become audio, what do you call, the composers
Yeah,
and all.
yeah.
Because I always, the real gift that I have from God is I can identify a talent of another person.
Mhm.
So what I do is, some people actually come into my office as the marketeers, some people are coming as the accountants, but at the end of the day, they are becoming videographer, the photographers, and the marketer.
Yeah.
There is an accountant, my best friend at my place called Jayanath and Tarunya. Those are chartered accountants. Trust me. But Jayanath is the operation manager at our company, and he's the head of operation at Propex,
Mhm.
right? Total different this thing.
Yeah.
So that's how it is.
Okay.
So when we before everything, when I had to cut down, they said, we'll run this for 3 months for free. You don't have to
Okay.
pay for us.
Oh, that's.
I was
that's sweet.
like, seriously, I was like, why? No, you trust us and we trust you, and we know you are going to do something like this. I was like, that's super, we'll do it.
That's amazing.
But within 1 month, we didn't expect that. I didn't have to cut down anyone, and I was able to pay everyone equal.
Oh, wow.
right?
That's amazing.
So for everyone, I'm just trying to tell you is like, even when you are a marketer, when you are a seller, when you are a salesperson, anyway, when you are an entrepreneur, you cannot say you are an entrepreneur, I'm the boss.
Yeah.
You are a salesperson.
Yeah.
You have to make your sales.
Yeah.
You have to go and talk to your customers, right? Especially if I'm talking about my brother, my Ishara. Sometimes, trust me, this is the bond we both have. Sometimes I go to the customer, I initiate the meeting, but Ishara is the person who's finishing the meeting and finish the business. That's how it is.
Mm.
So we always make people trust us.
Mhm.
It's like this. This is a small advice I can give everyone,
Okay.
right?
I was gonna get to the advice question.
Okay. No, this is
This
part
is a
of this.
different kind
Yeah.
of advice. Okay.
It's like, always remember, people can make mistakes. We are not perfect at all,
Mm.
right? Let's say one of your employees is stealing something from your office. It's a mistake. He would do that for one time, second time, but that doesn't mean he would do that for his entire life. If you
Mm.
can talk to him and tell him what incidents that he can face in the future, you can change him. He can change, and he can be your most loyal employee in your company,
Mhm.
right? But the real reason that in Sri Lanka we have is, once you make a mistake, you are a person who does the mistake for the entire life.
True.
And I don't have to touch here. You are a woman, right?
Yeah.
You are a girl. You know what kind of a mindset that Sri Lankan people have,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, it's true.
Right? People in Sri Lanka, people doesn't know how to understand the art
Mhm.
and the passion
The passion. Yeah.
and the job, right? You cannot have a tattoo on your arm,
yeah.
right? If a girl is having a tattoo on her arm, you know how she's getting
Yeah.
treated, right? If a girl is having I'm like, if she is like wearing something comfortable for her, you know how most of them, not everyone,
Yeah.
just not everyone.
Yeah.
I'm just telling most of the people. You know how people are treated,
Yeah,
right? If a guy is coming to the office in a bicycle, you know how people are
People are
treated,
treated, yeah.
right? Some people, so there is if there is one person at the same age, if he is in a boss level, another one is a gender level, you know how people are
Yeah.
treating, right? You should stop this.
Yeah.
We should stop that. This is a joke. We all are equal. We don't
That's
have to
true.
call everyone sir, madam, and everything, right? Because everyone, I'm like, everyone has the same color of blood,
Yeah.
right? I have once I have a small experience like this. I had a girlfriend, and once, because their parents actually didn't like me at all. Because why? Because I talk with everyone. When I get out, I talk with the person who sweeps the garden or the road and who cleans the garbage in the road. I just call them. I just talk with them. Sometimes I just share my food and all.
Yeah.
You know, what they said was, I asked, why don't you like me? I asked from her parents. No, you talk with everyone. We don't like. I was like, okay, let me get you this straight. If you meet an accident in the road today, trust me, not Bill Gates is not going to come and rescue,
Yeah.
right? And whatever whatever the person that you say he is this thing and that thing won't come.
Yeah.
The first person who's going to come to lift you is the beggar in the road,
Yeah, that's true.
and then the trishaw driver. You know how people are talking about trishaw drivers now in Sri Lanka,
Yeah.
but this is the thing. Those are the people who comes first,
That's true.
right? There are trishaw people actually take the accidents like that to the hospital and who
yeah.
are actually now stuck in jails,
Yeah.
helping the others. People are not talking about that. Why? Because people don't have much experience about the people.
Yeah, that's true.
Because I have been involving with so many activities when I was schooling. I got a chance to go to Velikada prison. There are some innocent people who actually didn't know what they did.
Yeah.
So stop treating people in a bad way.
Yeah.
Simple as that.
Exactly.
It's like, if someone makes a mistake, let him or her to make it a change.
Right.
Right? Don't drag it and don't push that person and don't give that person a hard time. Okay, you did that. You did that, and you will do this.
Yeah.
People are making others depressed.
Yeah.
People are making people frustrated. Why? Most of the time, people are worrying about Sri Lanka. There are marriages happening, and there are things happening. There are child abusing happening. Why? Because we don't have much money, cash with us. But it's totally fine. But you can treat people in a good way. You don't have to. There is only one thing we got from God. It's for free. Just smile. You don't have to talk. It's like this. You don't have to go and talk with everyone. It's just smile, right? I would like to give a small advice to the women out there. Don't if you don't frown at the people, right? If someone is smiling, just smile back. That's totally fine. Trust me, from the time you smile, they will never think anything bad about you.
Yeah.
They will never do that. They will start respecting you. They will really do that, right? So we have to change that mindset. This is why I'm telling you. First of all, we have to change the mindset of the people in Sri Lanka.
Yeah.
Then we can start making changes.
Yeah, I should say this has been a quite philosophical interview. Sometimes you just forget, right?
Yeah.
What you're talking about. So
No, it's like because you were asking about the committee and how I build that.
Exactly,
So
yeah.
this is the way I build the way, trusting the people and
it's
making
one
them.
of the big things that matters the
Yeah,
most.
matters the most.
So coming back to PropX, of course, where can people get to know about your company?
Actually, people can get to know about my company on my site, which is, like I told you before, it's www.propex.lk. Or else they can contact me through, contact us through our Facebook page and our Instagram page.
Right.
And also, if they really want to advertise or anything, if they really want to get advice, personal advice, they can come and drop a mail through our website. That's how they can do that.
That's quite straightforward and easy as well.
Yeah.
So I wish you all the very best.
Thank you so much, Asha. Thank you for having me again.
Yes, for sure. And good luck for the future.
Thank you so much again. Thank you.
Let's begin.